What if I told you Tesla's latest robot might replace not just workers in factories, but even you in your own home? What if a machine could fold your laundry, cook dinner, water your plants, and even learn 100 new skills every single day just by watching YouTube videos? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, today Tesla may have just taken us one giant leap toward that future with Optimus Gen 3. But here's the shocking part. It comes with a price tag so high, it might make you rethink everything Elon Musk promised. So the question is, are we witnessing the birth of a miracle, or the biggest disappointment in Tesla's history? Let's find out. Welcome back to Road Zone Reviews. Today we're breaking down one of Tesla's boldest, most controversial unveilings yet. Tesla has just revealed the newest version of Optimus, and many believe this is the Gen 3 model Elon Musk has been hinting at for years. And while the improvements are jaw-dropping in some ways, they also raise serious questions. The spotlight is on Optimus' hands that look so human-like. You'd swear they were real. For the first time ever, we're seeing a humanoid robot capable of movements so precise, it could one day thread a needle, play a piano, or even cook dinner. And that's exactly what Elon Musk has promised in the past. But the surprises don't stop there. Tesla also unveiled something called Grok Voice, an integrated conversational AI that lets Optimus talk back naturally. Something only a handful of robots worldwide can do today. Now, here's where things get tricky. While most people are blown away, the announcement also dropped a massive bombshell. Optimus could cost between $200,000 and $500,000. That's right. $500,000 for a robot that Elon once promised would cost just $20,000 to $30,000. So, what happened? Is Tesla taking a step forward or two steps back? During Tesla's most recent earnings call, Musk confirmed that Optimus Gen 3 is expected to launch later this year, designed for mass production. But he was very vague on what makes it different from Gen 2. Luckily, Mark Benioff, the CEO of Salesforce, recently visited Tesla and gave us the clearest look yet at the new Optimus. But to be honest, it's not as revolutionary as Musk hyped it up to be. At first glance, the updates are mainly in two areas: the new hands and a new paint scheme. That's it. In fact, the paint job isn't even brand new. We've already seen it when Kim Kardashian showcased a Tesla bot months ago. So that left us wondering, are we looking at Optimus Gen 3 or just an upgraded Gen 2.5? That question matters because Musk has built this bot up as the future of Tesla. He's claimed Optimus could one day be 80% of Tesla's total value, far surpassing their EV business. If that's true, then the pressure is massive. But here's where it gets really strange. Tesla is putting so much energy into Optimus' hands that it almost feels like they're hiding something bigger. Why else would Musk dedicate over half of the engineering team to just hands? Think about it. Everybody expected Tesla to make their robot run faster, jump, climb, even dance. But instead, Musk is obsessed with fingers. And maybe, just maybe, he knows something we don't. Because if these hands truly work the way he promises, Optimus won't just pick up tools. It could become the ultimate tool itself. The kind of technology that changes everything from medicine to manufacturing. So, is this just about robot hands, or are we staring at the foundation of a new human era? Let's talk about those hands in detail. Because they're not just cool, they're revolutionary. For decades, robotics companies have tried to build hands that function like ours. The problem? Most designs shove motors directly into the fingers, making them bulky, heavy, and unnatural. Tesla's approach is completely different. Instead, all the actuators are placed in the forearm, and a tendon-like cable system transmits force to the fingers. It's a brilliant trick inspired by the way human muscles work. The result? Hands that are compact, lightweight, and flexible. Even more impressive, each tendon is lined with force sensors. This allows Optimus to literally feel the objects it touches, adjusting grip pressure instantly. That's why Optimus can carefully pick up an egg without cracking it, tighten a screw with precision, or even catch a fast-moving tennis ball midair. Tesla has demonstrated this before. In one video, Optimus caught a ball with uncanny accuracy. What looked simple was actually a huge technical breakthrough. That catch required AI, advanced sensors, and flawless coordination. And here's the kicker. Half of Optimus' complexity is in its hands. But Tesla didn't stop there. With Grok Voice, Optimus can now communicate. During Mark Benioff's visit, the robot answered questions in real time. Sure, the voice was quiet and a little laggy, almost like the bot was hesitating before answering, but the fact that it could talk at all is incredible. Think about it. Most humanoid robots today can't even do that. And now the lag might annoy some people, but technically it makes sense. Tesla is integrating conversational AI directly into the robot's hardware. That means speech isn't just about words. It has to sync with body movement, gestures, and real-time sensors. The challenge is enormous. Still, by 2026, when Optimus goes into mass production, we expect Grok to respond instantly and smoothly. Musk knows Tesla has to fix this before launch, and history shows they usually deliver when it matters most. Here's the problem, though. Walking. After all the hype, Optimus still walks awkwardly, slow, crouched, and clunky. Tesla's target is 5 mph, but right now, it's barely hitting 2 mph. And while its gait has improved compared to earlier versions, it still doesn't look natural. If Tesla expects people to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars, Optimus needs to move with confidence and speed. Otherwise, why buy it? Nobody wants a $500,000 robot that shuffles slower than a turtle. And then we come to the price. This is where things get heated. Mark Benioff revealed that Optimus could cost anywhere from $200,000 to $500,000. Elon Musk hasn't officially confirmed this yet, but the internet exploded with debate. For regular people, this price is completely out of reach. Even for many businesses, remember, Musk once said Optimus would cost around $20,000 to $30,000. So what changed? The answer is in the supply chain. Almost every component inside Optimus is custom built. Motors, actuators, sensors, gearboxes. The only reused part is Tesla's AI chip, the same one used in their cars. Everything else had to be engineered from scratch. That means no existing supply chains, no economies of scale, and extremely high costs at the start. Add in the fact that 80% of rare earth magnets needed for the servo motors come from China, and global trade tensions only make things harder. Musk has admitted Tesla won't hit mass affordability until closer to 2030. In the early stages, we should expect $100,000, $200,000 per unit for Gen 2 and Gen 3. The dream of a $30,000 Optimus is still a decade away. But here's the real shocker. Optimus might already be smarter than we think. Imagine a robot that can watch YouTube tutorials and instantly master new skills. Not in weeks, not in days, but in minutes. That's the crazy future Tesla is building right now. One Optimus learns, and instantly every other Optimus on Earth knows the same thing. It's not just AI, it's hive intelligence. The kind of exponential growth that could make human learning look slow. So ask yourself this: if Optimus can learn 100 new skills a day, what will the world look like when millions of them are learning together? Are we ready for that? Think about how that would play out. Optimus could learn to cook new recipes, fix household items, or master entire factory tasks just by watching a few videos. Then it could simulate billions of trials in a virtual environment until it perfects the skill. And the moment it succeeds, that knowledge is uploaded across the fleet. Suddenly, thousands of Optimus robots can do the same thing. This isn't just learning, it's exponential evolution. Tesla has already shown Optimus using both arms in perfect coordination, a huge leap forward. That may sound simple, but it's actually insanely complex. Synchronizing two robotic limbs without collision requires real-time AI calculation, combined with 22 degrees of freedom in each hand. The possibilities are endless. In homes, Optimus could cook, clean, and do laundry. In restaurants, it could serve customers. In factories, it could assemble parts, run quality checks, and move materials with insane precision. In agriculture, it could plant, harvest, and monitor crops 24/7. We could even see rental models emerge, where businesses or individuals rent Optimus by the hour. Of course, there are risks. If Optimus ever accessed dangerous or malicious videos, the results could be catastrophic. That's why Tesla needs strong filters and safety protocols to ensure robots only learn from safe sources. So where does that leave us? Optimus Gen 3 is a mix of hype, controversy, and incredible potential. On one hand, it's too expensive, too slow, and still rough around the edges. On the other, its hands are revolutionary, its AI is groundbreaking, and its long-term applications are mind-blowing. Elon Musk has said multiple times that Optimus could one day be the majority of Tesla's value. And looking at what we've seen, it doesn't sound impossible. Right now, Optimus can't even grab you a Coke, but give it a few years, and it could handle every chore in your home, every task in your business, and maybe even jobs we haven't imagined yet. Tesla may start with only a few hundred units, likely going to employees and celebrities first to generate buzz. From there, production could scale rapidly, just like Tesla did with cars. And yes, the day when robots build robots feels closer than ever. For now, the truth is simple. Optimus isn't ready yet, but make no mistake, it's coming. The only question is, are we ready for it? So what do you think? If Optimus really launches at $200,000, would you buy one? Do you believe humanoid robots will eventually replace housekeepers, workers, maybe even entire industries? Drop your answers in the comments. We want to hear your take. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Road Zone Reviews, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next big update. Thanks so much for watching. Stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next one.